Haaga sweepers, made in Germany. For best sweeping performance, easy handling, and the highest quality from tradition. The Haaga sweeping systems of the 400 and 600 series offer the optimum cleaning tool for every application. The professional Haaga 400 and 600 series are equipped with the Haaga turbo sweeping system and offer maximum flexibility for every task. From private, manual application to professional large area cleaning. The Haaga Isweep turbo sweeping system provides perfect cleaning results. The double sweeping performance is achieved with only a single pass. The disc brush system is additionally expanded with a fine dirt roller behind it. Sweep effortlessly fine and coarse dirt, wet or dry. The Haaga Isweep disc brush technology absorbs the dirt already in front of the machine. Contrary to other sweeping devices, no interfering front wheel or rubber lip prevents the pickup of the dirt. Two special counter-rotating disc brushes lift up the dirt and push it directly into the waste container. In addition, a double sweeping performance is achieved by the fine dirt sweeping roller, which picks up finer sweeping material behind the disc brushes and transports it into the container. The hand-pushed sweepers of the Haaga 400 and 600 series are equipped with Haaga Isweep disc brush technology. The specially developed driving clutch ensures high reliability. The dirt-protected transmission and the positive fitting design prevents the clutch from being damaged by external influences, such as dust, dirt and moisture. In addition, the machines of the Haaga 400 and 600 series are equipped with two special foam filters, which reduce airborne dust. Inside the machine, the dusty air is cleaned by these filters. In conjunction with the surrounding sealing lips, this reduces the dust load on the operator. The stepless variable brush height adjustment ensures optimum cleaning performance on different surfaces and can be easily adjusted via the large rotary switch. Due to the protruding brushes and the adjustable brush lockdown clamp, which also pushes the brushes down, you can remove dirt from any corners. The lateral guide roller allows edge sweeping along edges or walls and protects both these surfaces as well as the machine from damage or scratches. The professional Haaga 400 and 600 series offers optimum usability in all areas, whether petrol stations, warehouses or production halls, workshops, farms, or parking lots. The result? Maximum cleanliness for commercial use for surfaces up to 3,000 square meters. Even narrow rooms and corridors can be cleaned easily. The large waste container can easily be removed and emptied. The maintenance-free battery of the 600 series is simply recharged using the external power supply and charging cable via the charging socket. The push handle can be adjusted to suit the user's body height. The ergonomically angled handle area can be mounted up or down without tools. Using the handle in the front of the machine makes lifting easy, or simply stow it in the vehicle with removed push handle. The handle can also be folded down and the machine placed upright for space-saving storage without the already swept dirt falling out. Perfect cleanliness even during storage. The Haaga 600 sweeping systems with battery power and the Haaga 400 series with turbo sweeping system guarantee best cleaning results with outstanding quality and the best price-to-quality ratio. The Haaga sweeping systems with Haaga Isweep disc brush technology. Haaga, quality made in Germany.